Perfect your letters, mastering alignment in English writing. Hello, learners. Welcome to our lesson today, where we'll be delving deep into the art of alignment in English letter writing. As we embark on our journey of mastering this essential writing skill, we will discuss different types of alignment, when and how to use them, and why they are crucial in enhancing the professionalism and readability of your letters. Alignment, in the context of letter writing, refers to the position of the text within your page. It determines how your writing lines up along the left, right, or across both margins. The four basic types of text alignment are left-aligned, right-aligned, centered, and justified. Left-aligned text has a straight edge on the left but a ragged edge on the right. Right-aligned text has a straight edge on the right but a ragged edge on the left. Centered text is aligned in the middle of the page or section, having ragged edges on both the left and right. Justified text aligns with both the left and right margins, giving a straight edge on both sides. Different situations call for different alignments. In most formal and semi-formal letters, left alignment is the norm. This gives your letter a tidy look while maintaining readability. The date, salutation, body, closing, and your name should all start at the left margin. Center alignment is often used for the title or heading of a document, or when writing invitations. It's also commonly used to center your address, and the recipient's address, in a traditional personal letter. Right alignment is less commonly used in English letter writing, but you might see it for placing the date in a business letter or including certain types of contact information. Justified alignment is rarely used in letter writing, but it is frequently seen in newspapers and books. It can make a document look very neat and formal, but it can also create uneven spaces between words that make the text more difficult to read. Proper alignment is not just a cosmetic detail. It enhances readability, conveys a sense of professionalism, and shows respect to your reader. It communicates that you value the content of your message and care about presenting it in a neat, organized manner. This makes your letter more likely to be read and positively received. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into alignment in English letter writing. Remember, each type of alignment serves its unique purpose, and using them correctly can dramatically enhance the appeal and readability of your letters. We hope you found this lesson helpful, and we look forward to helping you continue your English writing journey in our next video. Keep learning and keep growing.